Having your Facebook account hacked can feel overwhelming, confusing, and even frightening. Suddenly, your private messages, photos, and connections are at risk, and you might worry about losing access to years of memories, friends, or even your business page. But don't panic. There are clear steps you can take to recover your account, protect your data, and move forward with confidence. At Famety, we believe in empowering you to take control of your social media presence. So let's dive into the action plan for reclaiming your hacked Facebook account. First, take a deep breath and remember, you're not alone. Millions of people face account security issues on social media every year. The key is to act quickly and follow some proven strategies. The moment you suspect your account has been compromised, whether you're locked out, noticing suspicious posts, or friends report strange messages, your first move should be to attempt to log in. Go directly to Facebook's login page and try your usual credentials. If you're able to access the account, immediately change your password to something strong and unique. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that could be easily guessed. If you can't log in, click on the Forgot Password link. Facebook will prompt you to enter your email address or phone number associated with your account. Follow the instructions to reset your password. If hackers have changed your contact details, look for the No Longer Have Access to These option. There, you'll be guided through an account recovery process, which may include verifying your identity by answering security questions, identifying friends and photos, or providing government-issued identification. Throughout this process, keep an eye out for emails from Facebook. If you receive a message saying your password or email address was changed and you didn't do it, there's often a link to reverse the changes. Act on this immediately. Speed is crucial. If you don't see these emails in your inbox, check your spam or junk folders. In some cases, hackers might have enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, using their own device, making it harder for you to recover your account. If this happens, use Facebook's Report Compromised Account page. This dedicated resource allows you to describe the problem and begin a specialized recovery process. You'll be asked to provide as much information as possible: the last password you remember, the original email or phone number, and any other details Facebook can use to verify your identity. Once you regain access to your account, your job isn't done yet. The next step is to secure your profile and review all recent activity. Check for unknown devices or locations in your account's security settings. Log out everywhere except your current device. Remove any suspicious apps or integrations that may have been added by the hacker. Change your password again, just to be safe, and update your security questions. It's also wise to enable two-factor authentication on your account, if you haven't already. This extra layer of protection means that even if someone learns your password, they'll need a code sent to your phone or email to log in. Choose a secure authentication method, preferably an authentication app rather than SMS, and make sure your recovery contact details are up to date. Next, review your connected email account. Hackers often try to gain access to your email to intercept password reset links or notifications. Change your email password and enable two-factor authentication there too. Scan your inbox and send messages for any suspicious activity. After securing your account, reach out to your friends and followers. Hackers sometimes send spam, scams, or harmful links from compromised accounts. Post a status update explaining what happened, and warn your contacts not to click on any unusual links or respond to strange messages. If you use Facebook for business or manage a page, notify your team or clients immediately. You may want to check your privacy settings as well. Make sure your posts, photos, and personal information are only visible to the people you intend. Remove any unfamiliar contacts who may have been added during the time your account was compromised. If you run ads or have payment information stored on your account, review your billing statements and advertising activity. Cancel any suspicious campaigns and contact Facebook support if you spot unauthorized charges. For added peace of mind, report the hacking incident to Facebook. Use the Help Center to submit a detailed report, including any evidence such as screenshots or suspicious messages. The platform's security team can investigate further and may offer additional support. Remember, prevention is just as important as recovery. Make it a habit to review your account security regularly. Avoid clicking on unknown links, sharing your password, or responding to suspicious messages. Use strong, unique passwords for every account and never reuse passwords across multiple platforms. If you're a Famety user, we're here to help you every step of the way. Our live support team is available to answer questions, offer guidance, and help you regain control of your social media presence. We know how vital your Facebook account is for personal connections, business, and beyond. That's why we work tirelessly to back you up, offering the best experience and peace of mind. Social media is a powerful tool for expression, networking, and growth. But with that power comes responsibility. By taking security seriously and responding quickly to threats, you can protect your accounts and your digital reputation. At Famety, we're committed to helping you not just recover from setbacks, but thrive online. From likes and followers to advanced security tips, our services are designed to give you confidence and control. So, if you're recovering from a hacked Facebook account, remember, action, awareness, and support are your best allies. Act fast to recover your account, secure your profile, and communicate with your network. Stay vigilant and make account security a regular part of your social media routine. And should you need help across multiple platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google, or SEO, Famety is your one-stop solution. Our services are nearly limitless, and our team is always here to ensure you get the support you need when you need it. Your online presence is valuable, and we're dedicated to helping you protect and enhance it. Don't let a hacking incident define your social media experience. With the right steps and the right support, you can bounce back stronger than ever. Your stories, your connections, and your voice deserve to be safeguarded. Trust Famety to stand by your side, offering expertise, energy, and commitment to your success, today and every day. Take control, stay secure, and keep shining online. Your journey continues, and we're here to help you every step of the way.